Fine, let us start solve some problems based on fractions and decimals, right? This is the problem number 1. Let us check out here, right? Which of the following fraction is closest to 0, right? They have given 4 fractions. Let us check out one by one. So the first option, that is A, which they have given 6 by 13, and B, which is 3 by 5, and C is going to be 5 by 6, and D is going to be 1 by 4. Now we need to divide this, right, and then get the answer and check out whether it is, which one is the nearest to the 0. Like 6 by 13, right? 6 that divided by 13 cannot divide, so take a decimal point here, right? 0, 6, 13 4s are, right? 13 4s are 52, right? So 8 remainder. So further division is not required, so 0.4 is here, right? If other fraction comes to 0.4, so then we need to check out, right? See, this is going to be 0.4, right? Second one, 3 by 5. Let me go with this. 3 that divided by 5. Take a decimal point here, right? Take a 0. When you take a decimal point, you can take 0. That is 5 6 30, right? So this is going to be 0.6. And 5 by 6, right? Let me go with this. 5 that I'm going to divide by 6, right? 6 8s are 48, right? 0, right? Point, right? 6 8s are 48, right? Which is 2 remainder 0.8, right? The fourth one is 1 by 4, that is 1, right, by 4, right? Take a decimal point. 0 4 2s are 8, right? 2. Then further division I told you is not required. 0.2, right? 0.2, right? So the question is, which of the following fraction is closest to 0? So closest to 0, which one? This is 0.8, 0.6, 0.4, 0.2. So 0.8 is close to 0. Option C is the right one, that is going to be 5 by 6.